we're going to learn how to play the G major and E minor scales in 2 octaves on the cello. Let's go ahead and start out with G major. We're going to start on our open G string, and our first octave is quite simple. It's just a basic 1, 3, 4 finger pattern in first position on the G string and the D string. So we play starting with G. Now going for the second octave, we play open A, first finger, second finger, C, D is fourth finger. Now shift to fourth position. Now when you find that note right there, your thumb should land right in the curved part of your neck there, and your first finger, there's a harmonic right there. So if you don't have a tape there, the harmonic can make it easy to find. So that's first finger. Fingers are a little bit closer together here than they are in first position. It's third finger for F sharp, and then G is fourth finger. Make sure when you play this that your hand is not touching the upper bout of the cello. It shouldn't be resting on it. There doesn't need to be a lot of space, but just enough space you could slide maybe a postcard through there, just to make sure that you're not breaking up the engagement from the upper arm to the hand. You really need that. If you rest the hand on the cello, then your fingers have to do all the work, and you need more strength than that. So going down, you do the turnaround as a 4-3-4, and then shift back to first position. So that's fourth finger D, second finger, and then going down, same as the very first octave that you learned. Good. Let's go ahead and play that with a beat so that we can really work on tuning up those shifts. We're going to do 2 beats per note. And 1, 2, ready, let's go ahead and move on to E minor. E minor is a little bit of a tricky scale, and remember that E minor is 1 sharp in the key signature, so the same key signature as G major. But we do play, in addition to the F sharp, which is always there, we also play C sharp and D sharp ascending, but then not descending. So you're going to have different fingering going up and down. So it's really important that you get the scale in your ear, that you remember where the half steps and whole steps are, where they change between the ascending and the descending version, and that you make sure that you're very strategic about the accuracy of your finger patterns. So let's go ahead and start out with we're in extended first position, so this is an upward extension to play the second finger E natural on the C string, and then that puts your fourth finger in position for the F sharp. So second finger, fourth finger, open G, A, extend, because we have a C sharp here, B second, C sharp is fourth finger. Now we're going to half position. D sharp is first finger, and we're going to play the E with our second finger. Continuing on, we're going to go F sharp with the fourth finger. A half step higher, we shift to third position, first finger. That is G natural. We're going to go ahead and play a whole step extended second finger. And then fourth finger, we'll play the B. We still have the C sharp, so first finger, there it is. And then third finger is the D sharp. And then our E is the fourth finger. D sharp is the turnaround. Back up to E. Now change to an extended finger pattern, so second finger on D natural. Extended first finger on C natural. Now you're going to go up to B here in a third position, and that is an extended third position. Second finger on A, extended first finger on G. Now here you're going down to the F sharp, but you no longer have the D sharp, so you do not need to go back to half position, just first position is fine. Third finger, E, open D. No C sharp now, so normal fourth finger for the C natural. B. Still F sharp. So nice and slow, this is what the whole thing looks like. Let's go ahead and play it with a beat. All right, we're gonna go with 2 beats per note. 1, 2.